Student, today we revise your chemistry second chapter, acids, bases and salts. Student, now we solve your exercise questions. Okay. Look at your first question, student. A solution turns red litmus blue. Its pH is likely to be option D is correct. Okay, that is 10. Because the solution which turns red litmus blue, so it is basic solution. So its pH should be greater than 7. Okay, student. So answer will be option D, that is 10. Clear? Now second question. That is, a solution reacts with crushed eggshells to give a gas that turns lime water milky. So the solution contains, student, HCl. Option B will be your answer, because eggshells contain calcium carbonate which reacts with HCl to give out carbon dioxide, which turns lime water milky. Okay, so your answer will be option B, that is HCl. Okay, now student, look at your third question. Question number 3. Third question, that is 10 ml of a solution of sodium hydroxide is found to be completely neutralized by 8 ml of a given solution of HCl. If we take 20 ml of the same solution of sodium hydroxide, the amount of HCl solution required to be neutralize it will be, student, option D is answer, that is 16 ml. Because if we take double the amount of sodium hydroxide solution, the amount of HCl solution required to neutralize it is also double. Okay, so your option D, that is 16 ml, is the correct answer. Okay, now next question. Which one of the following types of medicines is used for treating indigestion? Okay, student, option C, that is antacid. Because the indigestion is due to excess of acid produced in the stomach. So the medicine used to neutralize it is called antacid. So correct answer is option C, antacid. Clear? Now student, question number 5. Write word equations and then balance equations for the reactions taking place when dilute sulfuric acid reacts with zinc granules. That is, sulfuric acid plus zinc gives zinc sulfate and hydrogen. So its balance equation is H2SO4 plus Zn, which gives ZnSO4 plus H2. Okay. Dilute hydrochloric acid reacts with magnesium ribbon, and it's when it reacts as a product, we get magnesium chloride and hydrogen. Okay, so its balanced chemical equation is H2HCl plus Mg, which gives MgCl2 plus H2. Okay, when dilute sulfuric acid reacts with aluminium powder, so sulfuric acid plus aluminium gives aluminium sulfate plus hydrogen. Okay, and balance equation is 3H2SO4 plus 2Al, 3H2SO4 plus 2Al, which gives Al2SO4 whole 3 plus 3H2. Okay, Dilute hydrochloric acid reacts with iron fillings. That is, hydrochloric acid plus iron gives iron chloride plus hydrogen. 2HCl plus Fe gives FeCl2 plus H2. Okay. Now question number 6. Question number 6. Compounds such as alcohols and glucose also contain hydrogen but are not categorized as acids. Describe an activity to prove it. Student, the activity already given to your book. Now we discuss compounds such as alcohol and glucose which contain hydrogen but not categorized as acids, because although alcohols and glucose contain hydrogen but they are not ionized to give H plus ion in the solution. Okay, so they are not considered as acids. Okay, student, alcohols and glucose contain hydrogen but they are not ionized to give H plus ion in the solution. Okay, so they are not considered as acids. Okay, student, why does distilled water not conduct electricity whereas rainwater does? Because distilled water does not conduct electricity because it does not contain any ionic compounds like acids, bases or salts dissolve in it. So rainwater, while falling to the earth through the atmosphere, dissolves acidic gases like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, okay, and from the air forms acids like carbonic acids, H2CO3, sulfurous acid, H2SO3, okay, and these acids provides hydrogen ions, that is H plus ion, to rainwater. So due to presence of these acids, the rainwater conducts electricity. Okay, why does acids not show acidic behavior in the absence of water? Student, acidic nature of a substance is due to the formation of H plus ion is in solution, and hydrogen ions are produced in the presence of water, and the separation of H plus ion form acids like HCl molecule and cannot occur in the absence of water. So acids do not show acidic behavior in the absence of water. Okay. Now, student, question number 9. Here, so many compounds, that is 5 solutions A, B, C, D, E, when tested with universal indicators showed pH as 4, 1, 11, 7 and 9 respectively. And which solution is neutral? Student, neutral solution contain pH 7. So, solution D. Okay, and strongly alkaline that which contain pH 11. So solution C is the answer. And strongly acidic, that means which contain pH 1, and solution number B is the answer. And weakly acidic, that means pH contain pH 4, and the solution A is the answer. And weakly alkaline, that means its pH will be 9. So solution E is the answer. Student, now arrangement of the pH in increasing order of hydrogen ion, concentrating according to their pH. We can write 11 greater than 9, greater than 7, greater than 4, and greater than 1. Okay. Now question number 10. That is, equal lengths of magnesium ribbon are taken in the test tube A and B, and hydrochloric acid is added to the test tube A, while acetic acid is added to the test tube B. In which test tube will the fizzing occur more vigorously and why? Student, we know that hydrochloric acid is a strong acid and acetic acid is a weak acid. Being a strong acid, hydrochloric acid solution contains a much greater amount of hydrogen ion in it. Okay, and due to this, the fizzing will occur more vigorously in test tube A. Okay, and the fizzing is due to the evolution of hydrogen gas which formed by the action of acid on the magnesium ribbon. Okay, now question number 11. Fresh milk has a pH of 6, and how do you think the pH will change as it turns into curd? Explain your answer. Student, pH will fall below 6, and this is because lactic acid is produced when milk sets into curd. Okay. Now question number 12. A milkman adds a very small amount of baking soda to fresh milk. Why does he shift the pH of the fresh milk from 6 to slightly alkaline? And why does this milk take a long time to set as curd? Student, milk is made slightly alkaline so that it may not be get sour easily due to the formation of lactic acid in it. Okay, and the alkaline milk takes a longer time to set into curd because the lactic acid formed has to first neutralize the alkali present in it. Okay. Now question number 13. Plaster of Paris should be stored in a moisture-proof container. Why? Student, plaster of Paris is a white powder, and on mixing with water it changes to gypsum and giving a hard solid mass. So we have to store it in a moisture-proof container. Okay. Student, now question number 14. What is neutralization reaction? And give two examples. All the bases react with acids to form salt and water. This process is known as neutralization. For example, sodium hydroxide NaOH plus HCl gives NaCl plus H2O. Potassium hydroxide KOH plus HNO3, which gives KNO3 plus H2O. Okay. Now student, your last question. Give two important uses of washing soda and baking soda. Washing soda, that is sodium carbonate, contain 10H2O. Softening hard water in paper, paints and textile industries. So student, these are the important uses of washing soda. Washing soda used as the softening reagent. Okay, and softening reagent, that means it used to convert hard water to soft water. And in paper industry, for painting, it used also textile industries. Now baking soda, sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3, so it's used as a fire extinguishers. Preparation of baking powder and baking soda. Baking soda also used in soda water. Baking powder and soda water, baking soda is used. Okay. Student, now we discuss some important conceptual questions such as how do identify an acid? Student, mild acids have a sure taste and acids turned blue litmus red. So we can identify an acid. Student, a common acid which used in cooking. We all know that vinegar. Okay, that is acetic acid. What is a good way to identify an acid from its chemical formula? Student, all acids have hydrogen atom. Okay, so we can identify acids from their chemical formula. Which substance contain H plus, and we can identify that is a acid. Okay, and which acid is present in lime water or lime, lemon, oranges? That is citric acid. Okay, student,